Today's story is going to be called Maria's First Fiesta, The Beauty of Being Different. So let's go and read this now. Once upon a time, there was a timid little girl named Maria who was homeschooled. She had never been to a fiesta before and was very insecure about her appearance. She thought that all the other children would have prettier faces than her. One day, Maria's parents decided to take her to a fiesta. Maria was very nervous, but she tried to be brave. She examined the other children and she saw that they were all different shapes and sizes. Some of them had prettier faces than her, but some of them didn't. Maria realized that there was nothing wrong with her appearance. She was just as beautiful as anyone else. She started to relax and enjoy herself. She spoke to her new friend Sophia, and they had a lot of fun. Maria had a great time at the fiesta. She learned that it's important to be confident in yourself, no matter what you look like. So for the bonus activity, I've got some multiple choice questions. Number one says, what was Maria's biggest insecurity? A, she thought she was homeschooled. B, she thought she was not pretty enough. Or C, she thought she would not have any fun at the fiesta. That's right. The answer is B. She thought she was not pretty enough. Number two, what did Maria do to overcome her insecurity? A, she joined a group of children playing a game. B, she talked to her parents about it. Or C, she realized that everyone is beautiful in their own way. That's right. The answer is C. She realized that everyone is beautiful in their own way. Number three, what did Maria learn at the fiesta? A, it's important to be homeschooled. B, it's important to be confident in yourself, no matter what you look like. Or C, it's important to have fun on a mobile phone. That's right, the answer is B. It's important to be confident in yourself, no matter what you look like. Number four, who did Maria become friends with at the fiesta? A, her parents. B, a musician playing music. Or C, a girl named Sophia. That's right, C, a girl named Sophia. Number five, how did Maria feel at the end of the story? A, happy and confident. B, nervous and insecure. Or C, sad and lonely. That's right, she felt happy and confident. So that's today's story, and I just wanted to do another one. I had a great time with the last story I did, so I just thought I'd read another one and make my own. So that'll do it for today's video, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me, and I look forward to seeing you for my next video.